Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to follow Save the Redwoods League on Facebook and how to engage with our content. To go to Facebook on your desktop, you can go to Google, search Facebook, and click on the first option. This will take you to the desktop version of Facebook. To go to Facebook on your mobile device, you will need to make sure you have the app downloaded. To do this, go to the App Store, click the magnifying glass in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, search for Facebook, and click Download. My screen says Open because I already have the app, but the download button should be where it says Open. Once it is downloaded, click on the app to get started. To like, comment, or share a Save the Redwoods League post on Facebook, you will first want to make sure you follow and like our business page. To do this, search Save the Redwoods League by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click on our profile and hit the button with the 3 dots next to Donate. Once you click the button, a menu should pop up. You will want to hit Follow, which should be the second item on the menu. To like our page, click the thumbs up icon next to our name that says Like underneath. Once you have followed these steps, you will receive our content on your feed. To like, comment, or share, you will need to go to a Save the Redwoods League post. At the very bottom of each post, you will find 3 buttons, one to like, one to comment, and one to share. To like our post, simply hit Like. If you would like to comment, click Comment. Then, type what you would like to say in the text field. If you would like to share the post, click Share. Then click Share Now. You will now see the post on your feed. I hope you enjoyed this short how-to video. Thanks for watching.